When solving exponential equations, the first thing we want to try and do is rewrite both sides of the equation so that they have the exact same base. So I have 64 to the exponent of 2x subtract 2, and I have 16x. So the first thing I want to do is start with the smallest base, and my smallest base is 16. So I at least want to see, can I write 16 to an exponent to get 64? So if I start with 16 squared, that automatically takes me to 256. So that's not going to work. So I'm going to look at 16 again and see, can I rewrite 16 with a different base? Well, I do know that 4 squared is 16. So I'm going to write 4 squared for my 16, and then that is going to have an exponent of x. So now I'm going to try and rewrite 64 to have a base of 4. Well, I know 4 squared is 16, so let's try 4 to the exponent of 3. Well, that does give me 64. So 64 I'm going to rewrite as 4 to the third. And then that has the exponent of 2x subtract 2. So now both bases are 4, which is exactly what we want. But both cases I have an exponent to an exponent. When that happens, I need to multiply. So I'm going to take 3 times 2x minus 2. So I have to distribute my 3. So I have a base of 4 and an exponent now of 6x subtract 6. On the right side, I just have 2 times x. So I have 4 to the 2x. Now that my bases are the same, I can actually cancel them out, and I'm going to set the exponents equivalent to each other. So I'm going to have 6x subtract 6 equal to 2x. I'm going to solve for x, so I'm going to subtract my 6x to my 2x. That gives me a negative 6 equal to a negative 4x. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4, and it's going to give me the fraction of 3 over 2. Now I am going to check this in my calculator to make sure both sides of my equation balance. When I plug in 3/2 for x on both sides, they both balance to give me a 64 on either side of my equation. So 3/2 works.